How to recover my eyes only deleted pictures on Snapchat 2026. You opened your My Eyes only on Snapchat and your photos are gone. Before you panic, in the next 2 minutes, I am going to give you the full honest truth about what can be recovered, what cannot, and every official method available to try right now. Welcome back, I am Daniel, and today we are covering everything you need to know about recovering deleted My Eyes only pictures on Snapchat in 2026. Let us get straight into it. First, the most important truth you need to hear before anything else. My Eyes only uses AES encryption, which means your photos are locked behind your passcode for maximum privacy. Because of this, Snapchat's official support page clearly states that if you forgot your passcode and reset it, all photos stored in My Eyes only are permanently and irreversibly deleted. Snapchat support cannot recover them for you, not because they won't, but because they genuinely cannot. The encryption makes it technically impossible even for Snapchat's own team. So if you reset your passcode, unfortunately those photos are gone permanently and no method will bring them back. I want to be upfront with you about that rather than waste your time. However, if your photos disappeared for a different reason such as a glitch, a buggy update, a cache issue, or a reinstall, here are the official recovery methods that can actually work. Method 1. Check if your memories are backed up to Snapchat servers. Open Snapchat and tap your profile icon in the top left corner. Tap the settings gear icon and scroll down to memories. Make sure backup progress shows as complete and fully synced. If your backup was interrupted, wait for it to finish fully and then check your My Eyes only section again. Your photos may reappear automatically once the sync completes. Method 2. Log out and log back in. Sometimes a simple account refresh restores missing content that disappeared due to a temporary glitch. Tap your profile icon, go to Settings, scroll all the way down and tap Logout. Then log back in using your Snapchat username and password. Open Memories and check My Eyes only again. Method 3. Clear the Snapchat app cache. Go to your phone settings, tap Apps, find Snapchat, tap Storage and hit Clear Cache. Then reopen Snapchat and check your My Eyes only section. A corrupted cache is one of the most common reasons My Eyes only appears empty even when photos are still there. Method 4. Update the Snapchat app. Go to the Google Play Store or Apple App Store and check for any pending Snapchat update. A buggy, outdated version can cause My Eyes only to display incorrectly or appear empty. Update the app and check again. Method 5. Uninstall and reinstall Snapchat. Before doing this, make absolutely sure your memories backup is fully complete. Check the backup progress in settings first. Once confirmed, uninstall Snapchat, reinstall it from the official store, log back in, and wait for your memories to fully sync. Your My Eyes only content should restore from the server backup. Method 6. Check your phone's camera roll or gallery. If you previously had Snapchat set to save photos to your camera roll as well as memories, copies of those photos may still exist in your phone gallery. Open your phone's Photos or Gallery app and search through your albums. There may be a Snapchat folder containing saved copies. Pro tip going forward, protect yourself from ever losing My Eyes only photos again by doing two things. First, never forget your passcode. Write it down somewhere extremely private, because resetting it means permanent deletion with zero recovery options. Second, go to Settings, tap Memories, and make sure Backup My Snaps is turned on so your content is always safely synced to Snapchat servers automatically. So to recap, if your passcode was reset, the photos are permanently gone and cannot be recovered by anyone. If the disappearance was caused by a glitch, check your backup sync, log out and back in, clear your cache, update the app, or reinstall Snapchat. Those are every legitimate official option available to you right now. If this video helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe for more Snapchat and app recovery tutorials every week. Were you able to recover your photos? Drop a comment below and let me know which method worked for you. It has been Daniel. See you in the next one.